The purpose of this video is to help you get started using Zoom. This brief tutorial is designed to help you learn digital mental health skills. It does not provide medical advice. It is intended for educational and informational purposes only. Zoom is an application that you can use on your computer or your phone to make calls and join meetings. You are going to need connection to the internet, and it's best if you have access to Chrome or Firefox as web browsers. You can sign up for Zoom by following this link and using your email. Signing up for Zoom is fairly simple. Once you follow this link, you'll be asked to enter your email address, and then you can simply hit sign up. After you've entered your email, you should wait a few minutes and eventually you'll receive in your email inbox a message from Zoom. The subject will read, "Please activate your Zoom account." You can open this email and click Activate Your Account. By clicking this link, you'll be connected to your web browser and asked to fill in information such as your name, your last name, and a password for your new Zoom account. Once you've completed this, you can click Continue. On the next page, click Start Meeting Now to test your new Zoom account. By doing this, you'll be prompted to download Zoom onto whatever device you've accessed your new Zoom account through. These instructions will come up on your screen, and you should follow them as they appear. If for whatever reason you're not automatically prompted to download Zoom, you can download it using this link. Once you've downloaded Zoom onto your computer, you're going to want to locate the application. The Zoom application looks like a blue box with a white video camera inside. It might be in your recently downloaded files, or you might want to search for it on your computer by typing in Zoom. It should be under your applications. Once you've located the Zoom application, you can enter your email and password to log in. If you want to log in quickly next time, check Keep Me Signed In so it saves your login information.